corruption cases be OSP ni table so I was here for oil mujuma. Now one of the cases are Ghana for more interested are Ghana for Akawansama Airbus scandal na former president John Dramani Mahama hono in fact Enkofobi bon ho echidom OSP office Mahama ne office ko oye chenne kaka ho nyina say OSP was say Airbus no oye mu investigations and ohwehwe mu ye because omo be say John Dramani Mahama oye NDC for flag bearer Airbus president bi na scandal and as a corruption case won ho enti say the better thing is say OSP be sa ehwehwemu no na yehunu kura nsem se de be a se empo se area Mahama enti president kwa yehu na actions wo ho no ya take ebusiafo ene na OSP and the report about concerning one or two investigations via OEM na report a odi aba no ene one result a odi aba Airbus ni de ebusiafo Ghana for we na so mu OSP endi na utie nsem na se uhwemu ankasa kra na keta se any proebi ekoso baby a eno ke wo se OSP no yehwemu meanwhile no OSP and say office of the special prosecutor no it was mainly established send ye be corruption cases via ekoso Ghana no omo betimi eyi to epie and so make be corruption na so send ye say na ye kan say where the OSP omo NGD na ebusianfo utie eye results na aba PM concerning 2023 activities are OSP publish their na concerning Airbus ne dear ebusianfo insem mu pa but almost say omo believe say at the end of the day no even crown say OSP edisa insem abetudwa concerning Airbus no crown at the end of the day no omo nim say former president John Dramani Mahama insem no ni hu muti say Mahama ebeba be ye president of Ghana ha bi umpa de Ghana for be na say omunji na me pese me kan Airbus part no na utie insem no yes investigation is ongoing in respect of the alleged bribery by Airbus SE an European international aerospace corporation regarding the sale and purchase of military aircraft for the Republic. The office is engaged with Interpol and the central authorities of the United Kingdom and the United States under the mutual legal assistance regime. Once again, the report of the Office of the Special Prosecutor for the second half of the 2023, like previous ones, were scanty and empty. That is the case on the Airbus. With regards to the Airbus CE scandal, there was nothing new in respect of what had been previously reported on. Since the new special prosecutor, Mr. Kisi Ejaben, took over from Mr. Martin Amidu in August 2021. Nothing new on this Airbus case. Ghana for be so montiasi almost tabi. Say OSP at the report about say after all the investigations are any more panel or meant me anything new on this Airbus scandal. I just say old information I wanted there and then I was say OSP no ebisa no insem no. It's almost same. Once again, the report of the Office of the Special Prosecutor for the second half of 2023, like previous ones, were scanty and empty. Unlike cases that Mr. Ejaben had investigated and completed with special attention, the Airbus CE bribery scandal case was not accorded any special and dedicated approach. But this is not fair. So was said all the cases are OSP approached with special attention and care. No, it was said that same energy should be channeled to this Airbus case. So the OSP reported that it was engaged with Interpol and the central authorities of the UK and the US under the mutual legal assistance regime. What has taken place between the Interpol, the UK and US central authorities and the OSP in respect of the Airbus CSE bribery scandal were not disclosed and the expected arrest and questioning of the public officials allegedly implicated did not happen. Mr. Ejapin with his OSP has surprisingly kept Ghanaians and the international community in the dark for more than 2 years. Inti obusiafo ne de ensem ne enti Ghana fo bi manka asat me na wo ka say de former president John Dramani Mahama no ki aso ne sana ya che no e de no anti because go be na believe say that scandal na e pa ni die se Mahama ka say onimu hwe ana enye no kra na obo because se ne ensem ne esi bae se na all of a sudden ye say ye kwakoto eye aeroplane na enwo se ye say scandal se ne anke wo so mo de koto no o ma ye se ne busofo se bebre no believe say former president John Dramani Mahama ono de ensem no ni hu ebom na so uhwe 2 years ni a OSP kisi ejabe ebedi kesi ehwe mu abusiafo OSP shadam fansembia emba ye concerning this Airbus na Ghana for be na kasa say OSP na kasa no kra no question mark because ono na say no send no ebom nsemu Ghana some of the cases because Ghana kra they don't believe him. It is even as at now OSP has back without any proper news on Airbus case. I will say Ghana for your century and semi be and I say a bear can OSP no kisi Ejapin I will see if you because send I said I say bibi koso baby said ko forbidden se bi betu dam o say bibi the koso bibi pa we say Ghana for ehwe nsem ni mu yie because o say Airbus nsem ni dey omo nja emaninka Ghana for bibi na nka say say Mahama no ono asori oye campaign here the left right center person no oye the president of Ghana say yes me say man be president wo man Ghana mu biom na o chine bi no nka say o kwa koto dey bibi na o the Ghana for security because what state of Ghana ebusiafo no question mark be ho na yes am former president John Dramani Mahama am be president dey dabi ho emba ne sa nti ebusiafo we ni sem ketwe bi a free Airbus is I think that there are other issues OSP investigations under and what they will report about but Airbus inquiry dear OSP said there is nothing new under the sun and as a wonya she every mu embaye into the area still no OSP because why they hwehwemu na ehwehwemu no or they proper and as a good news abre because Ghana for they want some good news be around something new from this Airbus scandal. You must say, on person who don't squawk because airman say, Kisi Ejapin office. No one call, no way to me, Airbus in no proof for Abba, no so Abbas and answer me about to Ghana for any NJ. Ebusian for where they are some also. Me don't miss here. Aha Ghana tube so open 780 na be so huni ya Airbus ewo ye ma Ghana mabusiafo eni na subscribe na fa notification bell odo nsa enia so fefefe nsem no ye dituma na winya betimi afans no